To remove face data in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, and then tap biometric and security, and then tap face recognition. Enter your current PIN, password, or draw your pattern if requested. And then tap remove face data. Remove face data. All your face data will be removed. Features that use face recognition will be turned off. Tap remove if sure. Face data was removed. To add, you must register face scan. Tap plus icon to register face. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.